Why are my PDF page numbers wrong after combining? Imagine spending time merging your PDF files only to find the page numbers are all over the place. It can be frustrating, right? But don't worry, this is a common issue when working with Adobe Acrobat. When you combine multiple PDFs, the page numbering often doesn't turn out as expected. So, why does this happen? Let's break it down. First, understand that PDFs have two types of page numbers. The physical page numbers are the actual sequence of pages, like page 1, page 2, and so on. These are what you see in the navigation pane or when printing. The other type is called logical page numbers or page labels. These are the numbers printed on the pages themselves, often used in headers or footers, and they can be customized. For example, a document might start with Roman numerals for the introduction and switch to Arabic numbers for the main content. When you combine PDFs in Adobe Acrobat, the software merges the pages into one file. However, it does not automatically preserve the original page labels or headers. Instead, it assigns new physical page numbers starting from 1. If your original files had different numbering schemes or headers, those can get mixed up or disappear. This mismatch is why your page numbers look wrong after combining. Another reason is that the page labels, which control how pages are numbered in the navigation pane, often reset when you merge files. For instance, if one PDF used Roman numerals and another used Arabic numbers, the combined document might just show sequential numbers like 1, 2, 3, regardless of the original labels. This can cause confusion, especially if you need the original numbering for referencing. Sometimes, headers and footers added with the Header and Footer tool are not preserved during merging. These are part of the visible content on each page. When combining, Acrobat stacks the pages but doesn't reapply or adjust these headers. So, if the original files had different header styles or page numbers, the combined file might show inconsistent or incorrect numbering. Technical glitches can also play a part. If your Acrobat software is outdated, or if there are formatting inconsistencies between files, the page numbering might not display correctly after merging. Always ensure your software is up to date to avoid bugs. So, how can you fix or prevent these issues? The best way is to combine your PDFs first, then add new page numbers using Acrobat's Header and Footer tool. This guarantees that all pages are numbered sequentially and consistently. If you want to keep the original numbering, consider editing each file to remove or standardize headers before merging. After combining, you can use the Page Labels tool to set custom numbering schemes in the navigation pane. If you often work with similar documents, creating an action or preset in Acrobat to add page numbers after merging can save you time. Always review your combined PDF before finalizing to catch any numbering issues early. Updating your software regularly also helps avoid bugs that could cause numbering problems. For complex documents like legal or academic files, where original headers or numbering are important, you might need to manually adjust page numbers after merging or use third-party tools designed for detailed document management. For books or manuals with chapters, adding prefixes to page numbers after combining can help keep sections clear. In summary, combining PDFs can mess up page numbers because of how headers, footers, and page labels are handled. The key is to plan your workflow. Merge first, then add or adjust page numbers as needed. Always double-check your final document to ensure everything lines up. With a little practice, managing page numbers in combined PDFs becomes a simple part of your Adobe Acrobat workflow.